Hello, it's Philip Taylor speaking from Richmond Green Chambers. This morning I'm looking at a book from the Ark Group, which is a Wilmington company. This book here, we'll look at it in a minute. It's got the title, Buying Legal, Procurement Insights and Practice, and it's been edited by Dr. Silvia Hodges. We've given it a subtitle in our written review, which is on the web and hopefully in the journals. Buying Legal Services. Here's high-powered advice from a range of experts on sources on getting the better deal. And this is the book itself. It's quite a heavy book actually. It's running to 150 pages. There is, as usual, a very short index which you've got at the back. The book is more of a report than a book itself. It's available both as a PDF and as a hard copy, and you'll see the details on the side there. And what you've got is a standard executive summary right at the beginning, which is very helpful because it sets out what this book is about, talking about procurement, still being what she says is a four-letter word in the legal industry. It's got a detail about the author and then the editor, and then you've got all of the contributors listed. And there are quite a large number of them, as you can see. Because the book again has been put together as a compilation, and I think it's extremely helpful. Then you go into the actual detail of the book itself, making the most of the report, and it sets out the subheads that are covered in the book concerning in-house lawyers and basically a whole range of issues concerning the procurement of legal services. There's also very useful abbreviations at the front, and then the book goes straight in to the main work itself. There's a foreword which is worth reading as well, and you've then got, in addition to that, the actual section A, which starts off with law firms. Then it runs all the way through and looks at a whole range of different organisations. For instance, section B deals with the in-house and procurement. That's the book itself. We've given it a review, which do please read on the web. I'm going to take a couple of extracts in this short video. We suggest you buy the book, which, like many more published by Ark, is presented in management report format, which is very helpful. And you buy into an impressively high-powered and varied source of legal and management expertise on procurement from more than 30 top international experts in this often complex and sensitive area of business. Now, whether you're procuring legal services or anything else, the heart of procurement is negotiation, and of course negotiation skills. So if you're a senior lawyer, whether in-house or in private practice, you may or may not have acquired these skills and the insights on which they're based when you undertook your original study of law. I certainly did as a barrister. So unless you're a natural negotiator, and how many of us really are, you do well, very well in our view, to read this book. Hodges, the editor, teaches law firm management and marketing at Fordham Law School, so she comes from a very substantial background. Let me conclude by saying that if you're involved in any way with procurement matters, especially those pertaining to fees or negotiating fee levels, discounts and so forth, this book offers admirable guidance based on a range of expert viewpoints. There's nothing like a publication such as this to help boost your professional confidence and sharpen your competitive edge. So thank you to Silvia Hodges and the contributors and to Ark for an excellent report on where we are today on procuring legal services. Bye-bye.